Withdrawing money from DoorDash after your account review can be a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure you complete the withdrawal successfully. Step 1. Log into your DoorDash account. Open the DoorDash app or website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Earnings. Once logged in, find the Earnings section on the app or website. This section will show your total earnings and any pending payments. Step 3. Check account status. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Select withdrawal method. Choose your preferred withdrawal method. DoorDash typically offers options like direct deposit to your bank account or instant transfer to a debit card. Step 5. Confirm withdrawal. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw and confirm the transaction. Make sure to review any fees associated with the withdrawal method you selected. After completing these steps, you should receive your funds according to the processing times of your chosen withdrawal method. Always keep an eye on your account for any updates or notifications regarding your earnings.